Hey guys, this is just a quick video demonstrating how decay calculations using half-lives are done. Let's first see what our problem is. I chose something a little bit harder instead of the traditional technetium questions. So here we go. An I-131 sodium iodide capsule was calibrated for 7.3 millicuries at 12 noon on May 10th. If the half-life is 8.05 days, what will be the capsule's activity at noon on May 23rd? So the first thing you need to know when you're doing one of these problems is the half-life formula, or the decay formula using half-life. So it is written as AT equals A original E 0.693 T to the T 1/2. So A is your activity at time. AO is your original activity. T is just the elapsed time, and T 1/2 is your half-life. So first thing I like to do is find T, because if you can't if you can't figure out what T is and you can't do that correctly, you might as well not go on because you're gonna get the wrong answer anyways. So the time is from 12 on May 10th to 12 on May 23rd. So that is 13 days. The T 1/2 is 8.05 days. They tell you that in the problem. The original activity, they also tell you, is 7.3 millicuries. So that means we'll be solving for A at time t. We don't know what that is. So we'll just go ahead and substitute it in. You'll get faster at writing these after you do a couple of problems. It gets pretty easy. This formula is actually, there's a long way to derive this formula. It involves a little bit of calculus, and this is just one of the few times where it's just easier if you just memorize this formula than try to understand where it came from. So now we'll get our calculator. Clear it. So I'm going to go 13 divided by 8.05 equals, then multiply the answer times negative 0.693 equals, then I'm going to take the exponential notation of my previous answer, and then I multiply that times 7.3. And that should be my answer, 2.4 millicuries. So AT equals 2.4 millicuries. There's also another way to do it on your calculator. I'm going to show you that way too. Some calculators, you can just punch the whole thing in and it'll do it for you, but it gets complicated because you have to know where to put the parentheses. See, point, go back, negative 0.693. Actually, you have to add a parentheses. This is what I was talking about. You have to add a parentheses right there, negative 0.693, close parentheses, open parentheses. Now you can do 13 divided by 8.05, close, equal. And it gives you the same exact thing. So that's the answer, guys. Good luck.